Alright, so all these raffle prizes, shotgun baby. Go. Come on, Nolan.
Alright, big money, big money.
Come on, do some luck over here.
So if you get a 7, are you guys gonna Rochambeau who gets the ticket? No.
Oh no, we'll both. 7!
Oh shit!
That's why I got you, Nolan.
Oh, you should have had a roll on 3.
I know, right? I just got my lobster.
That bad boy.
Like and subscribe to Clayton's Outdoor Adventures. Thank you, bud. Now I'm gonna eat you. Alright everyone, welcome back to another Clayton's Outdoor Adventures. It's a different POV right now because my dad just bought some Meta Glasses. I'm getting to Nolan Stoneburner. Nolan, say hi.
It's windy as fuck right now.
It is windy. We're at a gun range right now, heading over to our lobster feed. It's not at our rodeo tonight, it is at a gun range. And you know what? I love the sound. I'm also looking forward to some good lobster, so let's get into it. Alright, here's all the lobster right here. Going on. Check in.
Morgan, how are you? Good seeing you.
Alright, so all these raffle prizes. Shotgun baby. Nolan, I got your fishing rod right here, bro. Nice and pink. Alright, looking at all the big bucks here. Whitetail. John Jackson. Super cool. That's a nice whitetail. Is it a whitetail? It's probably a whitetail.
I think it might be dead.
And then full shoulder mounts. And here the elk right here. Clayton Koopman. Yep.
Where's yours, Clay?
Well, it's not here. There's first place. Right there.
I can do better.
Okay, bud.
I can. Whoever gets there, take a photo. I don't care.
Super cool. Dave Madison. First place. Beautiful. Alright, everything going on right now. We got guns on even more some guns. Nice. What I like to see and hear. All these prizes, turkey and saws, belts, fishing poles, guns, tools, chairs, fireworks stuff for 4th of July. This is where you put your tickets, spin it. Oh, sir. That's where all the guns are. Super cool. Giant antlers. Amazing. I'm gonna try to win me another gun tonight. And eat as much as I could eat. Hey, Meta. Never mind, look at this thing. Hunting and fishing, baby. Alright, yes. Pluck the Buck. Here you are.
Alright, 20 bucks an arrow.
Yep.
Go ahead and pick one.
Normally I go into... Where do you think, Nolan? Normally I go somewhere in the crease.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on. Let me see the blue or green. White.
You get a white.
I made my money.
Yeah, you did.
Yep. Two tickets. Thank you, sir.
There you go.
Here you are.
Congratulations and
Thank
good
you.
luck.
Thank you. I'll be back.
Yeah?
With-
Those glasses?
They are.
Oh my
They
gosh.
are.
Okay, those things are awesome.
My dad just bought them, so I'm using it to record videos for now.
No, that is freaking awesome.
Yeah.
I want to get those for work.
Oh, that's
it's
super
dope.
cool. Yeah.
I have a pair too.
Alright, you have a good one. Alright, so we went and got my dad's fun juice because he instructed me and Nolan to go get fun juice here.
Apple juice.
Yeah, totally some apple juice right here, guys. Yeah, I will see you back when we walk literally another 30 seconds. Hello. Can I get some rolls, please? Can I get some dice?
Oh yeah, of course.
Can I get 2 rolls?
$50 for 3 rolls.
Oh, then 3 rolls, please.
Yeah, no problem. And then
Thank you.
Any dice you want?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Was it 7 or 11?
7 or 11 is
Yep.
the ticket, and anything else is general raffle tickets.
Gotcha. I won me a shotgun here a few years ago.
That's a badass.
I know. Look at that. 20?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It's close to $1,000 shot.
Yeah. I was trying to win it for 50.
Yeah, exactly.
4.
How many tickets is it?
2.
Two.
2.
Got 2 more goals.
Perfect.
You got that, Clay.
You get one. Come on.
7. Oh.
8.
8 is 1. And you go. Come on, Nolan.
Alright, big money, big money.
Come on, do some luck over here.
So if you get a 7, are you guys going to Rochambeau who gets the ticket? No.
Oh no, we'll both. 7!
Holy shit!
That's why I got you, Nolan.
Oh, you should have had a roll on there.
I know, right?
Alright, this one's for you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
There. Good luck.
Thank you. Can I see how many is in there real quick?
There's not many at all.
Oh, perfect. All right. All right, we'll be back. We'll be back.
Like 10 in here or something.
Thank you. So, if you ever get these big ones, keep this and put all of those into that big ass container over there.
Okay.
Come and look at the prices with me, sir. Oh yeah. You could win guided hunts and everything. But these are live auction items.
I like that picture.
I do too. These are live auction, all of them. Ooh, look at that.
I kind of want that.
Like that. These are general, so this is what you win out of the yellow tickets. Alright, we're back at Pluck the Buck.
Round 2.
Go on. Pick one, I'll pick one.
You go for a hard shot. Which one do you go?
Just full on earshot. Perfect. Come on. Blue! 80 bucks worth of tickets. That's 4. You good luck. I need bro, you just won 80 bucks basically. Thank you.
There you go.
Alright, now I get one.
For the back of the heart shot, huh?
Blue?
That's a blue.
Just won 160 bucks off of 40. Nice. I'll put this down here.
There's your glasses.
Yeah, they're still recording. It blinks right here to tell me, and then it's like a maximum of 3 minutes, and then it turns off.
There's your 80.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
No problem. All right. Go on, Nolan. Roll 3 times. 8. That's 1. Come on, Nolan.
Big money, big money, big money.
10, which is 1. Three, 2. Alright, and I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna try with the big dice.
Change it up.
Alright, come on now. 8. 1 again. Damn.
Is that 1 or 2?
Oh, that was 7.
Oh, that, okay.
I think that was 7, right?
I think so, actually. Yeah, that was 7. It was around a 7.
And then those are for you guys.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, guys, good luck.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Yep. Alright. They're telling us to clear the table because of that right there, baby. We're about to rock and roll. They're telling us to get everything off the table and whatnot. Let her rip. Woo. Stuff is going down, baby. Look at all of that beauty. Perfect. Nolan, you ready?
No!
No? Shut up. Yes, you are. Here we go. I just got my lobster.
That bad boy.
Like and subscribe to Clayton's Outdoor Adventures. Thank you, bud. Now I'm gonna eat you.
Don't put up the food.
Alright.
This is the food.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
I mean, it's alright.
Oh, fuck, it just went all over my shirt. I mean, my, my pants.
Why we wore these gloves. How we did?
Where's our butter at?
Coming right back. All for the butter guy.
We don't need the milkman, we need the butterman.
No.
Alright, cool. Perfect.
Young man.
We are.
We got a whole loaf right here.
You got a subscriber at the end of the table.
Alright, perfect.
No.
Delicious. Potato,
Freaking good. It's so good.
sausage,
Anyone's not going
corn,
potatoes, I'll take it.
everything.
How are you?
Alright, time to twist the tail, baby. I already went through the claws. How much are you done, Nolan?
I'm eating other shit.
Yeah. Twist. Perfect. Beautiful. Now to get all the guts and poop out of here. Once you finally get it through all that BS, you're left with a little piece of tail.
How'd you do that?
What?
Not there.
Beautiful. Alright, me and Nolan are just going to the live auction, see if I gotta spend any of my dad's money. And we'll get back to you once we start hopefully winning. Alright. We just try to get our tickets. They didn't draw our numbers. Now we're gonna go to the raffle. Alright. In front of us are all our raffle tickets. And Nolan, remember this is 4.
I gotta go get it.
Oh, shit, okay.
Well, yeah. No, wait.
Okay. Ready? Spin it! Woo! Alright, let's try to win.
30070.
No? Shit. Not us.
Straight ahead, straight out.
Dang, they're winning. We need to start winning, Nolan.
Maybe it's just like...
Yeah. Alright, wait, what's it?
04475. 04475.
No.
In the front. All right.
Alright, come on.
All right, who wants to win a gun?
Gun. I want to win a
All right, here
gun.
we go. Next winner going to be the gun winner.
I want to win a gun. Come on.
01309.
No.
01309. All right. Come on up.
Alright, they're calling every number around our number, but we're still not getting lucky. Come on.
01585. Right here in the front. All right.
Never mind. Come on, one more time. Come on.
Oh 7932.
No.
7932. There's something scribbled on the back. I can't read it. It looks like
Dang it. Meta. Alright, this is our last general raffle ticket with all, there's a chair with a whole bunch of stuff plus a gun. Let's go.
We will see you guys next year. Thank
I'm
you
in a pew
again.
pew. Come on!
All right, here we go. General raffle winner. Last one of the night. Going to be yellow ticket 0964.
No.
0.
Dang.
09640.
And they won it. Dang it, me and Nolan are going on a sad walk now. Alrighty, we are on our way home, and don't worry, I am permitted to drive. Grandma, Nolan, and Mom are in the back right here, and we got 25 minutes home, and it was an amazing time. Nolan, how'd you like it, bud?
I ate a lot of food.
That's amazing. Anyway, I can't wait for our next adventure.